Are you trying to join a Discord server or group? Is the Discord link says that link is invalid or has expired? Well, recently the Discord users keep complaining that the Discord invite link is invalid or has expired whenever they try to join any server on Discord. The Discord invite link gets invalid or expires when the time is over for the link or if the link is faulty. To solve the problem, you need to follow two different ways. First, you are the link provider. You need to open Discord, tap the channel that you want to share the link. Tap Invite Member. Now click on Setting. Now choose Expire After. Set no limit, or you can set time if you want. Also, you can select the max number of user. Be sure to choose this option. Now click Create a Link. Now tap the link to copy. Now you can share this link with anyone to join. Now, second, if you're only the member who can't join through a link, you need to contact the admin of that server and tell them to recreate the Discord link so that you can join. So guys, this is how you can solve the Discord invite link issues on Discord. If you guys still have issues, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.